How's it going? Nate McCamey with Roof Masters of Arizona. I'm here at La Barguita. It's a Mexican restaurant right here. The address is 2334 East McDowell Road, Phoenix, Arizona 85006. The proprietor of this is Jose Garcia. Claim number is 0397 V as in Victor 452 V as in Victor. What I'm going to be doing is a shingle repair attempt on this shingle right here. You can notice your adjuster's chalk and my chalk. So this is the one, this is the target one. I have it laid out right here. And I'm going to go ahead and be doing this, this repair attempt right now. This is Certainteed, Gaff, and Owens Corning. So I have 3 different shingles that are architectural to try and see whichever one that's on the market that fits this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and get started with pry bar, shingle snake, hammer, nails, and chalk. They came up pretty easy. You see the 3 holes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 penetrations to this roof. I'm going to be putting 6 more on top of that. Uh, 39 1/4. I don't know what shingle this is. I have no idea. It has no markings in the back. $39 1/4. Gaff. Gaff is the winner on this one. Exposure's good. You can see it's lined up there. It even fits right here as well. Let me just get this a little bit higher. fits perfectly. I'm not going to be lifting the shingle more than 45 degrees. You can already see granule loss happening right now. Look, you can see granule loss already. Not good. See it damaged here, 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 and here on this one right here. Let's see what happens above it. Yep, right there. Let's try this other side. This other side's fine. This one's damaged, and now this whole shingle is damaged. So one repair now turns into 3 repairs. This roof is a failed attempt of repairing. Damage right here, right here, right here, and right there. Thank you for your attention to this matter.